Sunshine for southern areas, rain and strong winds for northwestern parts of the UK later. Temperatures up to 12 degrees today. From Global's newsroom for Radio X, I'm Dominic Byrne.
Someone's texting saying, can you please just emphasise that you can't flush kitchen roll down the toilet? No. No, I won't.
It's a bit thick, isn't it?
Because actually, I've got a toilet where I can't put anything down the toilet.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hardly anything. There's Steve Allen just leaving the building. If Steve Allen can get into work...
Absolutely.
Do you know the hardest thing will be keeping him out of work?
Exactly, yeah. Absolutely right.
Can't isolate him.
No, you can't. Pippa is live from her kitchen.
Hello.
What's that noise? Sounded like a bicycle horn.
Yeah.
It's very weird. This is very odd.
Because Toby's sick now. We don't believe he has coronavirus, but he's just sick. You know, you can still get sick and still be ill, but not have the coronavirus. So Toby's currently, we believe.
Yeah. I really don't. Sorry, I was going to say I really don't think he has, because he was pretty perky last night, but we're being cautious. Hello everyone, just so you know.
I mean, but Toby, it could just have been a bad pint, you know?
You never know which one we do, yeah.
So Pippa's at home looking after Toby, and the rest of us are here in the studio. James and me and Dom and Matt Parksmith and our intern, and even Sam with his pubic hair head.
That's it.
He's doing the videos.
Yeah.
And so we're here for you.
With his lovely curly hair. I'm not there to defend him. With his lovely curly hair.
This is Radio X.
From Global.
So there's a few things to do with coronavirus, and once again, I can't stress this enough. If this show isn't for you this week, then fine. Go